waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky. A quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Palm trees swaying in the breeze. Nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away, let the night turn to day. Every soul needs a place where the light meets grace. Island of peace, set me free, where my heart's meant to be. Island of peace, set me free, where my heart's meant to be.
Soft wind blowing through your hair, your laughter floating in the air. The world fades when I hold you near. Nothing but your heartbeat in my ear. Stay with me under the moonlight. Let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me, wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go. Feel the ocean's gentle flow. Love under the moonlight, everything feels right. I don't need diamonds, I don't need gold. Your touch is the treasure I wanna hold. When your smile shines, troubles disappear. Every scar becomes crystal clear. Stay with me under the moonlight. Let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me, wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go. Feel the ocean's gentle flow. Love under the moonlight, everything feels right. Let the world spin on its own. Oh, in your arms I feel at home. Every breath, every sigh sings a love that never dies. Everything feels right. From the dust of broken town, people cry but still stand strong. Babylon a push we down, but the heart keep beating on. Mama said, child, mind. Your light will take control. Children barefoot in the street sing a song of better days. Elders whisper ancient prayers in 1,000 humble ways. Though the night feel long and cold, we not bow to fear or pain, 'cause the spirit of the ancestors still running through we vein. Hear the drum beat on the wind, calling I and I again. Stand together hand in hand, break the invisible chain. No matter tribe, no matter skin, we all bleed the same red. So lift your voice up to the sky, let the fire spread. Rise up, oh lion now, burning flame we cannot part. From Africa to island shore, we stronger than we were before. One love, one blood, one destiny. No hatred, no more enemy. Jah guide we spirit through the storm. Together we rise, together we born, yeah, yeah. Together we born, together we born. Oh yeah. Peter Tosh says stand firm for your right. Bob Marley chant one love tonight. Loki Dube cry out prisoner of war. Steel pulse beat the drum of hope once more. We carry them voice like sacred flame. Each generation call John name. Even if the system try to blind we sight, truth shine deeper than the night. No more brother fight, brother sister quarrel in vain. We not divide by color, by language or name. Africa heartbeat in a reggae sound. From Kingston streets to Cape Town ground, burning spear in a breeze still blow. Marcus Garvey words must grow. Rise up, oh lion heart. Fire burn both we not depart. Hold the line, don't lose the faith. Your timing never come too late. One tribe, one vice, unity. Drum of freedom set we free. Though the world still full of pain, together we rise again. Drum a beat for the fallen brave. We remember from slave ship tears to the freedom way. We surrender never, never. Lift your fists high, let the fire ignite. In a jar love we win this fight. Oh, spirit of the lion roar. We not bow down no more. Rise up, oh lion heart. From the ashes we depart. Carry hope like morning sun, till the battle day is won. One word, one soul, unity. We plant the seeds of harmony. No weapon, no chain can break the burning love that we create. Oh, rise up, oh, guide us home. One love, one heart, we are never alone. Mama said, don't you lose your way. Remember where your soul was made. In the drum beat of the earth, find your pain, find your worth. Roots and freedom, let it grow. From the river to the soul, hold the fire, don't let go. Roots and freedom, Jah knows. Babylon calls with silver chains, but I won't bow to golden names. Riches fade like morning light, but truth will stand and fight. Emancipate your mind today, don't let fear lead you straight. Every nation, every skin, we all bleed the same within. Roots and freedom, let it grow. From the river to the soul, hold the fire, don't let go. Roots and freedom, Jah knows. Oh, na 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 na. Oh, Jah light will lead us. Oh, oh. Under the mango tree, me and you talk about the dreams we wanna pursue. Your laughter sweet like island breeze. Your touch calm me heart with ease. When life get rough, when the night's so long, you there beside me, keep me strong. You give me faith, you give me reason. Our love flow through every season. Roots of love growing deep inside. No storm can break, no tide divide. From the earth to the stars above, we hold on strong to the roots of love. Pure and true, every beat me heart belong to you. In this world so cold and rough, we find peace in the roots of love. Me no need diamond, me no need gold, just your warmth when the night get cold. You and me too, soul entwined. In a Jah light we always shine. From Kingston town to the ocean blue, every love song remind me of you. Together we rise, together we fall. Still me love you through it all. Every little moment me cherish it so. Every little word make me spirit glow. No Babylon stress can tear this apart. Jah bless our love from the start. The roots of love, steady like a drum. Beat of me heart, say you the one. From the sunrise to the moon above, we live forever in the roots of love. Yeah, hold me close, me darling, true. Love so strong, it carry we through. Jah bless this bond, Jah bless this way. Roots of love forever stay. Me no fear tomorrow when you dey here. Your voice me comfort, your soul me cheer. In the rhythm of life we groove. One heart, one spirit, one love. Tough love, deep like a tree. Stand firm through eternity. No matter the distance, no matter the pain, our roots of love remain. road is full of stone. Just lift your eyes to the morning sky, you'll see you're not alone. I've been down to the valley of pain, but I kept walking in the rain. 'Cause every tear, every scar I've known led me back to Zion home. Run to the light, don't you fear the night. Jah will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even when you're tired. Hope is the spark that sets your soul on fire. Run to the light, oh child of the storm. Mama on a king, you were never torn, yeah. They may laugh, they may doubt you, but don't let their poison drown you. Remember what Mama said with grace. Child, you're blessed by the Ancient of Days. In your heart lives a sacred drum, beating loud, saying better days come. No chain of sorrow can hold you still, not while your love is living within. Baba, Baba, Nishikemko, no. Lead me through the fire, help me stand. Run to the light, don't you fear the night. Jah will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even when you're tired. Hope is the spark that sets your soul on fire. Run to the light, oh child of the storm. You were born a king, you were never torn, yeah. Mama Africa, why you cry? Why you cry? Oh, she wake up before the sunrise, carry water with tear-stained eyes. Children barefoot on the broken clay, still sing songs to chase the pain away. Bullet holes in her ancient walls, echo of freedom in the market calls. She fed the world with the golden land, yet she trembled with empty hands. Oh mama, wipe your tears tonight. Your light will chase away the night. From Sahara winds to Cape Coast Sea, your heart still beat for humanity. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Children hungry, no food in sight, but we sing Amandla, Umoja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, our spirit live, it will never decay. Rich men dine in the city lights, while your people shiver through the coldest nights. Politicians talk with a silver tongue, but no bread reach the old nor young. Still I see hope in the dancers' feet, still I hear love in the reggae beat. Every dreadlock man, every Rasta child, carry her story in a heart so wild. Don't lose faith, mama, hear this song. Even broken wings can fly along. From the ashes of pain and crime, Jah will heal you in His time. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Why you cry? Children hungry, no food in sight. Stand as one, stand as one. But we sing Amandla, Umoja unite. Stand as one, stand and hold on tight. We'll make it right.
a candle, praying through the gloom. She said, child, even when the night feel long, remember every tear can become a freedom song. Daddy gone, but his voice live in our breeze. Stand tall even when you don't on your knees. So me wipe me eyes, step into the sun, cause the journey hard, but me not run. Every broken heart can rise again. Every lonely night must meet the dawn. Jah never leave you in a deep pain. Hold on strong, keep moving on. Tears turn to freedom, cries turn to song. What was weak yesterday now strong. From Trenchtown streets to Cape Town sky, we lift with voice, with spirit high. Tears turn to freedom, no more chains. Love wash away the deepest stains. Hold the fire, keep it burning bright, till the whole world step into the light. Me see youths them fight just to survive. Me see hope in the little child eyes. Them barefoot, but them still dancing rain. Teach the world how to smile through pain. Africa drums calling, come back home. Jamaican breeze, domination tone. Every tribe, every heart, every land, be the rhythm of one mighty hand. Oh, Jah, guidance, guide we steps through the storm and silence. Oh, Mama Africa, we feel your love in all the drum and fire. No more sorrow, tomorrow brighter than today, we know. One heart, one road, we go. We go, tears turn to freedom. No more fear, Jah whisper healing in the air. From ghetto corners to mountain top, we rise up, never stop. Tears turn to freedom, hand in hand, one blood, one love across the land. Oh, the world try break we down, still we crown with Zion sound. Freedom coming in the morning light. Wipe your tears, everything alright. Jah love carry we through the fight, till darkness fade out of sight.
She tell me love ain't easy, it's a battlefield. Me smile and say, still my heart won't yield. We're fighting not with gun or knife, but truth and love, it changed the life. Me see our tears, me wipe them away. Tell our baby we'll rise someday. This love ain't soft, it's a rebel fire. Burn Babylon lies with your desire. Rebel of love, me fight with heart so pure. Stand tall in truth, me soul secure. No gun, no hate, just faith above me and you. The rebel of love, rebel of love. Burn through the night, love is our weapon, truth is our light. Hold me and we'll rise above forever. Rebel of love. In the ghetto we sing our song against the system that keep us wrong. But when me see your eyes so bright, me know just send you for me light. Love ain't weak, it's revolution, breaking down the institution. We chant for freedom hand in hand. Love, go change the land. Every kiss a promise we make, every touch a chain we break. Me no need gold nor fame or one. A sweet, sweet rhythm from the beating drum. Your eyes like fire, your soul like rain. You wash my sorrow, you ease my pain. Girl, you're the blessing from Jah above. Me find my peace in your tender love. No diamond shine like the light you bring. Every time you smile, me heart starts sing. Me say, baby, don't you ever go astray, 'cause your love guide we every day. When the storm come crash and the night get cold, we hold each other, never lose control. It's a sweet melody of your love, flowing down from the stars above. Every heartbeat, every breath we take is a song of love that Jah create. Sweet melody of your love, like a dove flying over the sky above. No fear, no hate can tear apart this love that live inside we are. Me remember when my life feel dry, you bring the water, you make me high. Your voice like sunshine after rain, it heal my wounds, it ease my pain. You teach me patience, you teach me grace. In your arms me find my place. No silver, no gold can buy this way. Jah know me love you every day. So let the rhythm play slow and long. We sway together to just sweet song. Through the struggle, me not complain, 'cause love like ours never go in vain. And sweet melody of your love, blessed from the heavens above. Through the fire, through the rain, our heart beat one again. Oh, sweet melody of your love, we rise like morning dove. No chain, no wall can break this love Jah himself create. Jah loving our soul tonight. Shine your light, oh Jah light. When darkness come, we still hold tight, 'cause love is strong. Jah make it right. All together, one flame, one destiny. You and I, Jah harmony. And sweet melody of Jah love, rising high like morning dove. Let the trumpet sing, let the drums play on, 'cause this love will never done. Sweet melody of Jah love, flow like river, pure and tough. Forever yours, forever true. Jah bless the love between me and you. Sweet melody, Jah love within we. Oh, in every breath, in every seed, sweet melody of Jah love, forever flow from above. Oh, again. Me wake up with the sunrise glow, feet on the ground but me spirit a grow. Hear mama humming ancient song, say old faith child, stay strong. Road dusty but me march again, through the fire, through the pouring rain. Them try to chain, but me heart not tame, 'cause a warrior of light must remain. Oh mama say no fear,
My sun star shine brightest when I come. Lift your voice, let the whole earth hear. Jah never far, Jah always near.
I am a warrior of the light, just soldier in the fight. Through the darkness of the night, the spirit still burn bright. No chains can hold me soul, no system take control. From Africa to the world, me carry Jah love unfold.
Warrior of the light, we chant for truth and right. Raise your hand if you believe one love can end the fight.
No Babylon a pressure, Jah love are the treasure. Stand tall, me brother, lightly forever. And me see youths with no shoes, yet them still dance. And me see tears in a mama eyes, still she give life a chance.
Politician promise, but them break every plan. So we build hope in a song like a true Rastaman.
From Kingston streets to Nairobi land,
From Soweto Christ to Zion sand.
we sing freedom like the beating drum, till every last chain undone.
Hey, Jah, Jah.
Hey Jah, Jah, stop the way we go.
Oh, Mama Africa.
Your spirit now we flow.
Warriors stand up now.
No retreat, no more.
Fire of love, let it glow, let it glow. I am a warrior of the light, heart blazing in the night. Though the world full of war and spite, we choose the path of right. No weapon formed shall win. Love break every sin. Rasta spirit deep within. Freedom where we begin.
Warrior of the light,
Keep marching through the flame. Call Jah name, no shame. We rise again and again, till every nation see the truth. No more tears on the youth. We are warriors of love.
standing firm, living proof. Warrior, warrior of the light.
March on, Jah guide me till morning, sunshine bright.
Wake up the morning sun, feel the breeze by me face. Mama praying in a silence, Jah guide them with grace. Road rough, but me trod with a heart full of fire. No chains for me spirit, only dreams getting higher. Me hear the drum from Africa calling me name. From Kingston to Lagos, we all feel the same. People crying, but still we sing through the pain. Cause the rain never stop the sunlight from rain. Oh mama, don't you cry no more. Better days knocking at the door. We've been down on the dusty floor, but we rise once more. Rise up in the morning sun. Jah Jah bless every daughter and son. We not give up till the victory come. Heart strong, spirit like the beating drum. Rise up, no matter the fight. Hold tight, keep your faith in a light. From trenches to mountains high, we go shine like stars in a night sky. On the red dirt ground, still laughing though hunger around. Africa me blood, Jamaica me song. We've been broken but we stay strong. Politicians chat but action slow. Still the youth them ready fi grow. Plant the seed of love, let the river Trench Town straight to Cape Town slum. Unity are the anthem where we hold. Rise up, holy fire high. No more tears in a mama eye. Star may blow, but the spirit fly. We were born to rise, never die. Rise up, Jah light a guide we step. Ooh, no fear, no fret, till the last sunset. See the sun, no more lies, no disguise. Open up your conscience eyes. Justice on the front line, we're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender, we won't fall. Human rights can be bought or sold. Blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. Justice on the front line, we're standing tall. So blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. Piece of bread to eat. I raise my voice like a soldier's drum, cause the revolution time has come. Oppression must burn like the morning mist. Equal rights is the message in my fist. No chains can hold this rebel soul. We marching on till the story's told, yeah. Justice on the front line, we're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender, we won't fall. Human rights can be bought or sold. Blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. Justice on the front line. This morning, breeze so kind. Golden rays are dancing in my mind. Got no worries, let the world just roll. Reggae rhythm healing all my soul. Let the sunshine break the night. Let the music make it right. Sunshine on my soul. Let the good vibes flow. Life's a winding road, but I take it slow, with a heart so free, and the ocean sunshine on my soul. Bring me peace, bring me peace. Walking barefoot on the sand, waves are clapping like a band. Friends are laughing, fires warm and bright, singing songs beneath the moon tonight. Oh, no chains on me, just harmony. Love and rhythm set me free. Storm may come, but I will stay with the sunshine guiding my way. Sunshine on my soul, let the music take control. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Sunshine on my soul, let the music take control. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Voices in my head keep telling me to quit. World is heavy and the pain don't fit, but I hear a heartbeat louder than the fear. Reggae rhythm whisper, love is always here. Boy, raise your hands, let the sun shine in. Every ending is a place to begin. Even when the night is long and cold, sing your song, let your spirit unfold. Keep the fire burning, don't let it die. Even when the tears fall from your eyes, hold on to hope, don't lose your light. Jah will guide you through the night. Keep the fire burning, keep your soul alive. Every heartbeat says survive. Stand tall, don't stop, keep turning. Keep the fire burning. Oh, keep the fire burning. Oh, oh. Walking through the streets with no gold to show, but I've got love and that's enough to grow. See the children dancing barefoot in the rain, teaching us joy in the middle of the pain. Oh, yeah. Let the drum beat carry you away. Let forgiveness wash the hate away. We are warriors of peace and song. in your hand. They try to break you, try to erase, but your roots still grow in every place. Walk tall, African child, your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile, walk tall with a lion smile. Walk tall, African child, your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile, walk tall. Yeah, they can steal gold, they can steal a crown, but never the rhythm or the drum beat sound. From Ethiopia to Ghana shore, your blood remember what you're fighting for. Yeah, yeah. Rise up from the scars and pain. Your history runs deeper than the rain. Put on or lift your voice like the thunder call. You're a warrior, never crawling. Walk tall, African child, your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile, walk tall with a lion smile. Walk tall, African child, your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile, walk tall with. Africa, Jamaica, all the people unite. One love, one fire, oh Jah guide the way. Morning sun arise on the hill. Children cry but them keep still. Mama say tender way ma do good. My child don't fear, for Jah Jah blessings always near. We walk barefoot through the burning sand, but still we strong, still we stand. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, we sing Uhuru, freedom for Africa. No chain can hold the lion's heart, no storm can tear this love apart. From the drums to the heartbeat sound, we rise up when we hit the ground. Rise up my people. Jah light a blaze like a steeple. From Zion rain to the motherland, we hold the fire in our hand. Rise up, I and I together, through any storm, any weather. One love, one blood, one song, no matter how the journey long. Them tell we lies in a history book. Try to take we name, try to take we look, but the drum beat says Simba Moyo, heart of a lion. Ancestors whisper, keep treading on. Aborigine, they ask me so. Me answer, Umoja unity, let it flow. From Lagos streets to Trenchtown Lane, we chant on greed, we break the chain. Are you ready for the freedom song? Hey Baba, we are strong. Will you fight till Babylon fall? Yo, yes, we answer the call. Djembe, heartbeat, same sound. Ancient voices rise from the ground. No more war, no division, only love and Jah vision. Rise up, my people. hear the drums of ancient souls calling me to stay alive. My mama said, child, don't lose your faith. Storms will come, but they don't stay. So I keep walking this dusty road with Jah love light in my way. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my heart from going astray. When the darkness starts to rise, your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my way. I'm not alone, even far away from home. I will stand, I will pray. Guide my way. They offer gold to buy my dreams, silver crown and selfish schemes. But I was born from African clay. My spirit no one can take away. Let the wind carry my song to the ones who feel they don't belong. Lift your head and sing with me. Love is our true legacy. Yeah. Through night and day, keep my heart from going astray. When the darkness starts to rise, your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my way. I'm not alone, even far away from home. I will stand, I will pray. Jah guide my way. I've seen brothers fall to hate, sisters crying at the gate. But even in the hardest time, Jah still whispers you are mine. So let the fire burn in peace. Let your anger find release. Plant forgiveness in the ground, and one day love will be found. Oh, emancipate your wandering mind. Leave your broken past behind. Every heart was made to shine. We are children of divine. Jah is not in temples made of stone. Jah is found when love is shown. Close your eyes, you will see He lives in you and me. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my soul from drifting away. Through the fire, through the rain, your love heals my pain. Jah guide my way. I'm not alone, even far away from home. I will stand, I will say, Jah guide my way. Me come from the root, me come from the fire. Drum beat on my blood, truth never tire. Mama Africa call me name from afar. Say child, remember who you are. Me no live for vanity, me no live for show. Me live for truth that the ancestors know. From the desert sun to the river Nile, the spirit of the roots man never go mild.
They try to twist the story, try to hide the face, but the spirit of the roots man still live on the place. No matter how Babylon system try, them can't stop Jah people rise high. Roots man vibration,
Feeling on the ground,
drum and bass keep rolling round and round.
from Kingston town to Addis Ababa sound. Jah light never lost, it's always found.
Roots man vibration,
Rise up and stand.
all your culture in your hand. One love, one faith, one creation. Which one is roots man vibration?
Me see the youth them lost in a social maze, chasing shadow, forgetting the old ways. But me tell them no worry, come home again. The ancestors watching through the mountain rain. Every dreadlock, every drum beat cry, remember your root, don't let it die. Me see the vision clearing as I am breathe. Freedom grow like fruit on the tree.
Some say progress mean forgetting past, but without root, no tree can last. So stand tall, my brothers and my sisters. The root at the start, not the end.
Mama Africa, me hear your song. Roots man never go wrong. From Ghana to jam down land.
One jaw, one heart, one stand.
Leave your drum, beat it strong. Babylon fall, Jah kingdom come.
Hey, Jaja, we still hold on.
Rootsman vibrations, pick up the war.
Freedom voice, echo for all.
No more chain, no more fear.
We bring the message loud and clear. Rootsman vibration,
Light up the sky.
Just spirit never die. Raise your flag, sing this song. Rootsman heart forever strong. Drum still beating, fire still burning. Rootsman stand tall, just still turning. Africa, my mama, feel your call. One world, one love, for all who care.
No matter what Babylon try, them can't kill the spirit of the lion. Africa rise, Jamaica rise, the whole world stand tall. I was born in a place where the rain don't stop, but hope still grow like a small tree top. System rough, but we still survive, cause we carry lion heart deep inside. Mama pray, Moyo Imara stay strong. Even when the night feel too long, from Kingston town to Nairobi street, we drum the rhythm of a rebel heartbeat. Them build walls, we break them down. Them wear fake gold, we wear Jah crown. No matter the pressure, no matter the fight, just sun still rise in the morning light. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum. sip one cup of tea. Life still rough, but me will hear the drum beat from the distance. Africa calling, even if me stumble, my spirit not falling. Youth them hustling in a cold city street. Barefoot youths in a sand feel the same heartbeat. Babylon put pressure, but we no retreat. 'Cause lion heart still a beat, beat, beat.
Mama said, child, keep love inside. Even when them push you to the darkest side, hold your prayer, let your soul confide. Jah never leave, Jah never hide.
Lion heart still beat, in a fire, in a rain. We rise again, although we feel the pain. From Trenton to Soweto plain, we chant, we sing, we break the chain. Lion heart still beat, no surrender, no fear. Just spirit whisper in every ear. Hold on strong, redemption near. We born for fight, we born for cheer. Sister selling fruits by the roadside stall. Brother carry stone, building hope from the fall. Politician talk, but them no answer the call. Still the poor man dreaming of better for all. Rasta youth read Psalms on that tree. Speak truth, bold love and unity. He say, freedom a must, not luxury. And Africa flow in you and me. Hey mama Africa, we hear you calling ya. Oh Jaja, guide we soul, never let we fall. Up warriors, stand tall, stand tall. Love are the key, love conqueror.
Lion heart still beat, stronger than before. We spirit rich though we pocket poor. Spread the love from shore to shore. We not give up, we're all once more.
Lion heart still beat, let the world unite. Black, white, every nation in the light. Blow the trumpet, keep the fire bright. We destiny is freedom right.
Down by the lane where the youth still play, echo of drum on the golden day. Me hear the rhythm of my mama's song. Hold your faith, son, stay strong. Smoke up the herb, rise up to the sky. Old man home while the children cry. Life so rough yet we carry on. Under the sunset of Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town. Fire in the sky. Jah bless the people who never say goodbye. From pain to love we build our sound. Under the sunset in a Trench Town ground. Oh hey, oh yeah. Sunset over Trench Town. Rhythm so sweet. Love and struggle where the heart still beat. No matter how Babylon come around, we still rise. Trench Town sound. Oh yeah. Trench Town. Oh. You see me brother strum the guitar tight, singing freedom tune deep in the night. My sister dance with the candle flame. Say one heart, one blood, one name. Every tear become a melody. Every fight write our history. From the ghetto come the crown. We kings and queens of Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town. Light in the breeze. Sound of hope travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound. We free in the sunset of Trench Town. Together, from Kingston to Accra, one spirits respond. From the earth to sky beyond, me feel the ancestors sing around. Bless the sunset over Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town. Fire in the heart, roots and love, that's where we start. Music heals, your love surround, peace and pride in a Trench Town sound. Sunset over Trench Town, burning gold. Story of the people strong and bold. From the struggle to the crown, Jah light shine on Trench Town. Oh, yeah. Trench Town. Oh. Me walk again by the sandy street, heartbeat echo with the drum beat. Children laugh, elders pray, sunset bless another day. Trench Town, live forever. Oh.
Me wake up with the sunrise glow, hear the birds them sing, feel the river flow. Me spirit whisper, don't you fear, Jah light shine bright, it's always here. Inna the struggle me find me peace, inna the storm me find release. Though the world so cold, me soul still warm, 'cause Jah protect me from every harm. Light of Jah rising over the mountain high, wash away the darkness, open every eye. Peace and love in every nation, guided by Jah revelation. Light of Jah rising, burning on my soul. Give the people strength to make them whole. From Kingston town to Africa shore, Jah light forevermore. Me see the youth them lost in a war, searching for hope but gone too far. Me tell them look within your heart, that's where Jah fire starts. No matter the color, no matter the creed, one blood, one world, one seed. Love and truth, the only plan. Jah create woman and man, hold up your head, me brother, me sister. Don't let Babylon twist ya. Jah give you life, Jah give you song. Stand tall, you've been strong too long. Light of Jah rising high in the sky. Bless the children, never let them cry. Every beat of the drum, every chant we sing is a prayer to Jah, oh our King. Light of Jah rising, shine on the way. Lead us out of night into brighter day. Roots so deep, spirit strong. Jah love carry we along. Asante Jah, thank you Lord. Me heart and soul restored. Oh more Jah for life, peace we trod. Guided by the hand of Jah God, I rise up now. Oh children of light, Jah love make everything right. Africa drum beat the call. Light of Jah shining for all. Light of Jah rising, burn so bright. Fill the world with holy light. No hate, no war, no more pain,
Jah plan. Whoa. Sometimes the rain won't stop, clouds cover the sky. You try to stand strong, but you break down and cry. People say hold on, but they don't feel your pain. Still your heart whispers softly, sun will shine again. Barefoot youth on a broken street, dreaming of a future with food to eat. Mama work all day, Papa gone astray, but hope is a fire that don't fade away. No worry about the stumble, no worry about the fall. Jah see your tears, He hear your call. From the valley low to the mountain high, promise morning come after night, and the sun will rise again. Wipe the tears and dry the rain. Even when the world feels cold, hold on to your soul, be bold. Yes, the sun will rise again. Every trouble has an end. From the ashes life remains, and the sun will rise again. Trouble come like a river wide, but don't let it wash away your pride. You're stronger than the storm you face. You're a warrior, child of grace. They might laugh when you fall to the ground, but every king once wore a thorny crown. Every flower bloom after the rain. Every smile was once born from pain. Stand up, my friend, don't lose your way. Blessings come for those who pray. Even if your heart feels faint, Jah never give you more than you can take. And the sun will rise again, after hurt, after strain. Don't you let your spirit change. Jah light always remain. You may feel like giving up, you may feel like the world not care, but hear me now. A seed must go down in a darkness before it push to the light and bloom. So don't give up, your sunrise soon. Rise again, rise again, rise again. No chains, no pain can hold you down. Yes, the sun will rise again. Hear the drum, feel the chain break. Friend, from Kingston town to Berlin land, hope will always remain. Sun will rise again, don't you cry no more. Open up your heart, open up the door. From the river to the plain, I promise, sun will rise again. Rise again. Oh, Jah light, shine bright tonight. Walking down this dusty lane, no need diamonds, no need fame. Every heartbeat sounds the same. Chasing love, not chasing fame. On a one love highway, where the music plays and worries fade. On the golden days, hold my hand, don't be afraid. We'll find peace along the way. On a one love highway, love will guide us every day. People come and people
set us free. One love for you and me. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Oh, oh. Sitting by the coconut tree, waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky, the quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can't cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Palm trees swaying in the breeze, nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away, let the night turn to day. Every soul needs a place where the light meets gray.